Okay.
You could not obvious.
I've been free entertainment for
yeah, Michelle. Never got there.
Ever call.
You see, I had to.
I went it.
Yeah, probably go here.
Oh, oh, Kafra. Now, money to him.
One bug and I'm not going to play on Crocono.
and I'm very crone.
What you crying?
Yeah, I went to the United States.
Oh, sir. On my effort.
Yeah, I came back like. You back, Barabe?
Oh, bah.
A co week in one.
Obama, wonderful for us.
You know, like they were.
Tanka driver near.
About you, okay? There's a lot of mamma, the live yearning.
Oh, me who the cratcher.
A juicy kid, you
that.
My mentor, someone.
I'll be busy. I'll be Tanka. Tanka, they will cheat. I
want to thank us. I want me from country, Mama. I am my sister.
Namisha.
Karate for 20 years.
I'm on in check.
Was we not?
I
because I tell them.
we not.
Also, Mama said I quite down my makeup. As
a man, if you feel, once you
but this is the beginning. Like, let's say that Bob at the right time. I'm gonna sort you big.
Mama, do it. Oh, a blue chili sanipa. I will chili no quack. I dream as a well, I'm quite butchery now. I can shall be cried. That's like a
own a private car.
Or me, not on. I'm just building my house.
Building a house, that's nice. Because, like, in America, like those tanker drivers, they are very, very rich people.
And in Ghana,
they own big mansions and serious cars.
Ghana, and an engineer management.
I can't have Ghana, minimum.
Yeah, tanker driver.
Those tanker they carry fuel and then all that. Omojumano a risk.
Oh yeah.
We don't accident to wash it. And like in America, for instance, like yeah, those tanker drivers, you know, they
your managers.
You may be a move.
That is. That's one side. One side. Yes. One side.
No, so we are. No, you are.
Okay,
you're born.
I did you have
about. Oh, that's so move here.
Oh yeah. For now, I feel I may try me near my like say. Me goose me the far presidential ship and
oh, remember how many
a year you goose be my president.
Obviously,
I'm gonna build a hospital and then I'm gonna build a factory, and then I'm gonna buy cars, and then I'm gonna build houses, and I'm gonna take good care of my friends, you know. I'm gonna ride with the girls, you know. I wanna buy range for Mura. Then I'm gonna buy Benz from Reggae. Then myself, I'm gonna drive a Jeep Wrangler. So we'll be in the cars with our
Virus. Why are they? So it made you quiet. Now buy so rain fee will not.
I don't forget people like that. Like I keep close friends to me all the time. Like I always have them at my back, at the back of my mind. Even way back in America, you can ask them. I was talking to them too.
Oh yeah.
We used to do video calls.
Oh shit! Sorry. Oh,
but you are a hard man, you know.
Oh yeah.
Man, let's return to America. I'm gonna get you a job in America, you know.
Oh, that's
a very strong person. No. Them gonna break us and
Papa will can't and talk on
WrestleMania. Listen to me. The shortest one among them, when he stand with this man, his waist will be here.
Hey,
for real.
Yeah.
I'm seeing you.
Yeah. His waist. That's his waist. Will be here.
Let me see you. Oh, yeah, but tell him
scan your mom and a and papa.
So, we're gonna crush it.
Oh, yeah. Guy, man.
You are a real guy.
Yeah. Nigga,
I just do have back.
Hey, wonderful.
You can't be a fat one on my wife.
You're a very strong one.
I'm a woman, many they can do. Yeah, nigga.
If I take him to America, I remember I saw Ankre. Yeah, the way
I said, I can hold you man away. And I'm creating to one.
Who is it? I don't know where I'm sure I found on the board.
Oh, but it's because of us. I took my mask. Hey, that's a couple chaba. A couple chabo. I can't wait you. A couple chabo. You were gonna have a who's an answer. It's our booby. I will just manipulate you with the power. I will check a penny aqua. We on to go on so. No, man's the captain took a crime of the guy who Japan pepper. No, it is. What to go? What to go? What to go? What to go? Abomin. What to go? Abomin. Blah 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 mobi. What to go? Abomin. Mebobi.
I want to know question because I was scared there. Then I would stress.
Now.
Oh, Charlie, Africa, you want him out. Because me kwa America na say me like Kenya for and we see no be na me who say oh Charlie. I'm scan here nice. Seriously like what's the sanko phone? What's the Kenya for and sa Tanzania for no time features in me yeah like when ni no when no color no seriously maintain say what ana dey no my boys back on brigade yeah I can be my manager but I was say we shall not kasa ho fi na say me ya me po ba o che na
when you sound say almost no
I get you in Ghana omo can say umu ade but in America we call it attitude yeah and then obade o ho na so timi attitude you say bia obi afre wa bram ba jo frame na wakọ e ba sa na ebe end up no ba be cheap ubuade and na say omo na mo interpret your lifestyle and attitude na wo but I know be say you know they respect ubuade pa
me that's
last time now more around in a mansion and when dingo piano like I know we say we are single there but say we need boyfriend bia
maybe o me no bia o
okay
same city and to bia cramp me
yeah because America honum na me one most of the times I am Teshisha Caribbeans in Jamaica for anyway say me no mo na culture and share in shianti you know mo call to be an iron to kasem but why we me crew need I think say me be for na see to come in America whether na some far darkness we are just say dark and lovely
wow
ti be say me obi o ho no
na
na kwa for say wine pa kro na to
me ni obi a my brother
so compensation kra na me pay scabem the background man $1,000 kra no say some be bree na say oh yeah sure
obi any my brother
are you for real
yeah
okay yeah brief na me fan chia mommy mate mommy so there onya hu dia
ma trenya me
but on that me mama Awo Yaa onim no
hey your mommy
oh yeah that's my mom the last time I even told you that's my mom that's my mom what you was saying no okay so like we na kra the last time me kokromunti metima sesa kakra so I'm gonna give you something small not say oh that you but try so be fi na me fanchia mommy what I say oh they who me get na say mura they will lead you to the house and I better still call frame me with my bar around why take it take it
thank you
I'm gonna take good care of you okay I'm gonna rebrand you like reshape you I mean take you from hell to heaven
my shukran
and reason I'm saying be you to hell or heaven because I will take you to the snow be a snow but to go so I say ha what dem
it say me ma say wo ho o mutimi maska say
yenya common the whole Ghana I think say I can why 60 pe Ghana ye be 30 million by e be 60 and ye chema escama mark say ha I feel good la 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 la
me fan ko to ma ore ho ne ma na say me fakete
just
me ko di o manu
buy credit and for being grand tata there we just eat credit yeah in America you hug someone by saying thank you
okay thank you thank you
wow this is a big thank you
thank you
okay so I'm gonna expect you tonight okay come to my place let me introduce you to my mom okay be a good girl
all right thank you
all right bye-bye I say, I'm going. I'm moving to come on. Move to come on.
It's a hatchet.
Sir, I'm in the moon. Yeah. Hey, I'll job doing. Mom, but do you know where? So you told me that you know my mom.
Yes.
Yeah, we are. That's my lovely mom. She's Ella, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Very, very pretty. How do you see her skin? It's pure African skin. Mom is asking when I would do American and Jamaica for, and I'm often a jealousy. If you date a black woman in America, that means they're very rich and then they're very responsible. Because they are scarce there. Because they're scarce. Very, very scarce. So, like, when I saw her, I said, no. I'm gonna make her my wife, take her to America, and then show them I'm a G. I'm a real G. Because she got it. I mean, she got it. She got it. See the chicks.
Is
everything okay?
Everything is not okay.
Why?
O container corona eba.
Mom, there's not time to discuss container. Seriously, there's not time.
We're
talking about black skin and you're talking about container. This girl here is just like really expensive than that container talking about. What are you talking about, Mom? Is it the factories or the hospitals that I want to build or the cars that I want to drive that it's like in the container that you're not seeing it? That you getting angry or what? Baby, we move. We move. I've seen this pretty girl, black skin, showing her to you, and then you hear. What you say, Mom? What's the meaning of this, Mom? Let's go, baby. Come on, let's go. Let's go.
Because the virus container is our mama so bad you could out. It's a grandma me too. But the man why you me. I say me pay mama Jenny, I am in Tanta. Say I'm pas a collaborative or quite eh?
No, I know you're not happy, but relax, you have a fine, right?
There was a come on who was empire. The now who are media. I saw person open home.
No, like on your problem, no. Say, or no, but no, the journal say nobody name me free uptown by, you know, like she has promised a lot of stuff to the old ladies, talk of clothes. Because, like, me talk and tomato say, Pofan, how do you say it? Pofan, Anna, am I right?
Yeah,
like that to say 500 pieces. I wanted to give her like 300 and then she will share the 200 to the other old ladies. So, like, they are mounting pressure on her, and I say, first, like, I'm deceiving her. That's the problem. So, it's not you.
You
know the problem. It's in sure so. It's impossible.
How?
Oh, yeah, like, it's getting to like a month and I think a week or so, something like that. Yeah. So. No, and you're right. Me, I don't put my stuff in ordinary containers or ordinary ships, you know. I put my stuff in presidential ships. And then when they were loading the stuffs, they had to put the president of Portugal, where Cristiano Ronaldo hailed from. They had to put the stuff in it, and then I think the Bulgaria president, and then the Cameroon president, and then my staffs. So it's like they had to offload their stuffs for them before, like they will bring me, because I'm the ordinary among them. And when it comes to Ghana, they have like big men like Anthony Cabo, and then Osaa Chairman, Sam Bosu, and then some stuff. They have to get their stuff before I get mine. So like, in less than 2 weeks time, I'm gonna get everything for her and then everything will be fine, okay? That is the reason why. She's gonna smile to you next time when
fine.
you come, okay?
So,
Forget it. What did you eat today? In the morning. Don't fool. Don't eat banku in the morning. And you will bloat. No. I like it so. It's okay. For now, I'm gonna take you to the gym center, so we're gonna train, work on this one. Then this one will come forward a bit, and then this one will go back small, and then we can have this flat tummy, so that I'm gonna kiss this place like 77 times each day.
I dare.
You understand?
I dare.